Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the lowdown on the hottest beauty products in the market. Today, we've got something truly special for all you adventurous souls out there. The Arctic Fox Vegan and Cruelty-Free Semi-Permanent Hair Color Dye in the mesmerizing shade Purple AF. If you're on the hunt for the best purple hair dye that not only delivers stunning results but also cares for your hair, you're in for a treat. This product from Arctic Fox has taken the hair dye world by storm, and we're about to find out why. First things first, let's talk about what makes this product stand out. It's not just a hair dye, it's a hair care experience. The Purple AF shade is not only vibrant and eye-catching but also incredibly versatile. Whether you have platinum locks or light brown hair, this shade will work its magic, giving deep tints of color on darker hair and vibrant brilliance on lightened hair. One of the cool things about Arctic Fox is that it plays well with others. You can mix it with different Arctic Fox shades to create your unique color blend. For example, mix it with Wrath for a sultry burgundy or combine it with Poseidon for a deep indigo. The possibilities are endless. Now, here's the icing on the cake. Arctic Fox is committed to using only vegan ingredients with no animal byproducts. Plus, it's free from harmful chemicals commonly found in chemical-based hair dyes. That means no peroxide, no ammonia, no ethyl alcohol, and definitely no PPD. It's as gentle as it is colorful. You'll be happy to know that Arctic Fox hair dyes are not only about color but also about hair health. These dyes are designed for frequent use and actually condition your hair while restoring its vibrancy. Say goodbye to dry, damaged locks, and hello to gorgeous, long-lasting color. But you don't have to take my word for it. Let's hear what some users have to say about their experience with Arctic Fox. As you can see, people are loving the results they're getting with this purple hair dye. From the easy application to the long-lasting color, it's clear that Arctic Fox has earned its spot as one of the best purple hair dyes on the market. Now, before we wrap it up, a quick note for our international viewers: please check the product's availability in your region, as it may not be available for delivery everywhere. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the mood for a vibrant and cruelty-free hair color transformation, look no further than Arctic Fox's Purple AF. It's the best purple hair dye that combines stunning color with hair care benefits. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more fantastic beauty finds. And let us know in the comments if you've tried Arctic Fox or if you're planning to give it a shot. Until next time, stay fabulous, and keep experimenting with your style.